So I got invited to a private screening with Amazon Studios. Y'all know that means we're definitely doing a full beat. So a lot of y'all been asking what shade concealers I be using Cool Tan in the shade Fawn. I'm really excited about this outfit. It's definitely giving like Y2K baddie. My Fenty concealer is shade 445N, and I apply my Fenty concealer more like bronzer. Contour my nose, I do use the shade Toast, and then I just blend that out. I love both of these shades. Oh, they look so good on brown skin. Summer Sun Kiss, honey. Like, I've been laying in the sun all day. That's what this blush is giving, okay? I'm gonna go with some brown shadow. The black eyeliner has been everything to me lately. I don't know how y'all be looking cute putting on mascara.